Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can earn USDT online just by purchasing and selling NFT, guys. But before I proceed further in today's video, if you are new to this channel, I give you updates on how to earn cryptocurrency online, including airdrops, any sites and the like, guys. So if you're not part of this community, just take a few seconds, smash this subscribe button, guys. Just smash the subscribe button and turn on the screen bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos like this. Just tap on the subscribe button right here and come over to this all, guys. And also, if you find value from this video, just give this video a thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate it. And without further ado, let me head straight to the platform I have for you guys today. Alright guys, so back to the video. The name of the platform I'll be sharing with you guys today is acnft.com, guys. acnft.com. And the link to join this platform will be in this video description, guys. I've shared this platform with you all, and some of you guys have started using this platform. And for those of you that have not started using this platform, the link will be in this video description in case you're interested in joining, guys. Okay, so when you use the link in this video description, you'll be brought to this registration page right here. All I'm guys to do is input your email address, your login password, confirm your password. Invitation code is going to automatically fill up right here. Just click on this register, guys. But since I already have an account, I'll log in straight into my account right now. Alright guys, so I'm currently logged into my account right now, and you can see right here I currently have about $14.8, guys. I currently have about $14.8 on my balance, guys. I'll be sharing with you guys how you can purchase some NFT, how you can use this platform to earn 2% daily of your investment, guys. Okay, so first thing first, after I sign up on this platform, first thing first, you have to come over to this verify rename right here, guys. So when you click on this verify rename right here, you have to do is input your rename right here, and automatically your date of birth and everything is going to show verified, guys. After that, come over to this Google key, guys. So when you come over to this Google key, what you have to do is just head over to your copy out the Google key right here and download this application showing on the screen right now, the Google Authenticator. Download the application and set up the Google key right here. After you're done with that, you verify that, and after you're done with that, just scroll down a little bit and come over to this address, guys. So you have to just do is link your wallet address with this platform. After you're done with that, you are good to go with this platform. The next thing is to go over to this market section, guys. You have to come over to this market section to select the NFT you'll be purchasing for yourself, guys. So if you can see right here, this NFT was launched on February 25th right now, and it was launched at $10 back then, and now the current price is about $13, guys. So for those of them that bought this NFT when it was $10, they'll have made $13 profit, guys. Okay, so you can just scroll down a little bit and can scroll down and see a lot of NFTs available. You can see right here, this one was launched at $22.2, and right now it's currently worth about $34.47, guys. So the NFT price goes on like that, and this one also was launched at $9 right here, and you can see right here it's currently worth about $19, and it was launched February 10, guys. Okay, so guys, you can just scroll down and look for the NFT you want to purchase, and best thing about this platform is you can purchase as many as possible NFTs on this platform. Let me show you guys this NFT. This was the NFT I purchased, guys. For those of you that watched my previous video, I purchased this NFT as $9.9 and currently worth about $15.29. I come back to my collection right here. You will see the list of NFTs I've purchased, guys. And you can see right here, I purchased this NFT at $9 and currently worth about $13 right here, guys. So you can make a lot of profit. So in case you want to deposit to start earning on this platform, just come over to this recharge section, guys. You can deposit as low as $10 on this platform, guys. With your $10, you'll be earning 2% daily, unlimited amount of USDT from this platform, guys. Just input the amount you want to recharge right here, and note minimum amount is 10 USDT, guys. And you just select the network, which is USDT TRC20, guys. USDT TRC20. And after you're done with that, click on this payment, guys. After you're done with that, send the amount of USDT you want to purchase, guys. You want to deposit on this platform. Alright guys, so let's quickly do a brief calculation. In case you are depositing $100 on this platform, guys, you'll be getting 2% of your investment every single day, guys. That's every single hours, every single 24 hours, you'll be earning $2, guys. And in 10 days, guys, you'll be earning $20 in 10 days, guys. So consider it, with this is your $100 deposit, you'll have gotten $20 profit in 10 days time, guys. Alright guys, so deposit at your own risk, invest at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. I've been earning from this platform. That's why I decided to bring up this platform too, so you guys can start earning from this platform, guys. Alright guys, so in case you want to check out some NFT you want to purchase, guys, you want to check out the listing days of NFTs, just come over to this NFT preview, guys. Come over to this NFT preview and just scroll down, guys. Just scroll down a little bit. Just keep scrolling down to check the dates NFTs has been released and date NFTs will be released, guys. Okay, so quick information for you guys. An NFT will be launched today, guys. So that's why I decided to bring up this video, so you guys can quickly take advantage of it and start earning, guys. Can see right here, today is 15th of March, guys. This NFT will be launched for $10, guys. So you guys should take advantage of this opportunity. It's going to be launched. You can see twice. It's going to be launched the 1 hour time, guys. It's going to be launched the 1 hour time. Take advantage of this opportunity. Deposit a minimum of $10 on this platform and quickly purchase this NFT when it's launched, guys. Okay. So you can see I said they publish about 500 worth of this NFT. In case you deposit $100 on this platform, you can just purchase about 10 of this NFT, guys. Purchase some NFTs on this platform. Firstly, look for the NFT you'll be purchasing, guys. You can see right here, this is the least amount of NFT right here, $10.82, guys. So if you want to deposit $11 and purchase this NFT for $10.82. In case you want to do that, just click on this buy right here and input the amount of NFT you want to purchase. So in case you deposited $100 on this platform, you can purchase as many NFTs as possible, guys. You can just click on, in case you deposited $100 right, you can just click on 9, guys. Just purchase 9 of these NFT, and you can see right here currently worth about $93, guys. So now this NFT worth about $93. One of these NFT, guys, worth about $10.82, guys. So after I'm done with that, just go down a little bit and click on this buy, guys. So after I'm done with that, every 24 hours, just come back to this my collection, guys. Come back to this my collection and you automatically see that the profit has been added, guys. The profit has been added. So in case you are tired of holding an NFT after I've made a lot of profits, you can just come back to this sell and click on this sell, guys. After I click on this sell, it will automatically send it over, and a 5% creation fee will be charged, guys. So after I'm done with all that, all the process, and in case you want to withdraw your earnings, can just come back to this withdraw right here, and no withdrawal fee is charged, guys. No withdrawal fee is charged, and the minimum withdrawal on this platform is 10 USDT, guys. So 10 USDT is the minimum withdrawal on this platform. So that's everything for this video, guys. If you find value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate it. And also, if you like to subscribe to this channel and turn on the screen bell to get notified whenever I upload new video like this. And I'll see you guys in the very next one. Peace out.